Eguria Bomu, Bogurie, what about Ogugo no Patiwa, my Aberewa Buro or Zeze. Because all you come here, Abido, or Zeze. You can go where you get mini. Will you go all? What was that? Near Lechineke. Eh? Many are by Wuka. Many are called. What the Moku answer? Over my problem, I will. Because you are in the spirit. I know some man. PDP. And they go Hamid. And they go Hamid. And they go Hamid. So Ibrahim Keta, Ibrahim Isaac pay Hamid you. Boom. Chineke Ekwe. Let Absalom not hit Ahithophel's counsel. Let Absalom not hit Ahithophel's counsel. Yeah, here's the governor of that assembly. Pukamado. Fine. Of Ahithophel's of council Ahithophel. Tabelukwa. I have a look at Ecclesiastes 10:16. Oh, they will let me what I can in the tree, Maria has a long pack. Of Mabara. What am I doing? Oh, do not bow. Nearly by hang attention. PDP, part of the people. Because we will look at the line and the share is on the right table. That you bought one of them, and the Republican chairman of Party Jim Morrison. Ndaibu Bishop and he has a hat. No Bishop Okai, Bishop Okim, Bishop Okas. For the purpose of the journalism, I'd like to speak in English. I'd like to use this opportunity, especially as your chairman, to apologize to you. Maybe you can go over in here, Chidi Lloyd, again, because a lot of those who have run away, like I did of Chidi Doro, chairman Kosura, or chairman Doro. So under Ile Kibaraba, Murebe Muge and Babako, Murebe Shigene Uli and Ba. I just felt that I should apologize. That there must be something which you would have felt as chairman of council I should have done for you. I've been looking around. I'll be a background on the man or on the council. But I go, we will Liogo, who's a Lime. We are war. I'll be able to remember. Background business, I have many are the afflictions of the righteous. Other than we are Kano of a Brukoma, he goes, TMGG. When goes or do, or make Bukutu. Mwamele, Mojome, man never to Chile is a man. Yako high. So I felt that I don't do because what? Any time you know where you, when the result trouble. But at night, Jenny, no lure. We came here when it was raining. You were all under the rain. I should put you there too. Only a money. So it's only a fool that says in his hand there is no God. You should call it Chineke when you call him. If you are in a state of grace, he will answer you. Huh? Okay? So there is no need preaching to a choir because choir na one pastor from cool. So I don't always say okay. The time I no choir and always say well, you know, from time to time as Christians, we must seek the face of God. And as members of the political party known as the PDP, it is not in doubt that there are issues now. So, of course, when you have issues, you seek the face of God. That is what we are doing today. To thank God for His mercies so far. And also to rally our supporters around together. You can see all the messages that have been told here. The people you are seeing here are the members of the PDP who are here devoid of any encumbrance. So we are here to ensure that everything goes on properly. Not for the first time. Okay, the first phase. Well, you can see that the people who are collecting the money are those who are really in need of it. And I want to thank the MD CEO of Ogun Osun River Basin Authority. Even if he has not started work, but you can see what is going on. You can see the camaraderie amongst we and our supporters. So we want to thank God for what is going on and also thank him. Of course, they already know that we are one united family behind Chief Honorable Barrister Eze1 Nyesom Wike. We continue to pray for him. We continue to say that the Bible didn't say they will not gather. The Bible said they will gather. But if the gathering is not of him, and like we can see, of course they will flee from 7 windows. We thank God for everything. We have been wired up as members of the PDP, as supporters of the Honorable Minister of the FCT.